Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgos. Take only what resonates. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang po, ano po. And please do comment down below. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng comments ninyo, likes ninyo. Nagpapakita yun ng malaking suporta sa akin. So, sana po ay mag-comment kayo sa baba. And also, palapit na palapit yung October, no? So, by October, mamimili na po si Madam Jean ng bibigyan niya ng personal reading na mapipili niya, no? Mula sa mga nagko-comment sa atin. So, anyway, para sa ibang details, nandiyan na lang sa description box. Pakicheck na lang po. Wait lang guys, ayusin ko lang yung camera. Okay. This is your main energy. You do have here the Three of Cups. Wait lang po ha. Okay, sorry about that. Ayan. So, by the way, you do have here the Three of Cups. Clarify natin, what's with the Three of Cups? Three of Swords. Tell me more. For Virgos, please. Queen of Swords. One last card for Virgos. Five of Wands. And on the bottom of the deck, you do have here the Devil and the Queen of Cups. So, ito medyo iba-iba kasi nakuha kong energy dito. For some of you, ang situation ganito. There's people around you, like maybe your friends, na parang hindi mo sila pwedeng pagkatiwalaan ngayon. Parang nakikita natin na pinagtatawanan ka nila behind your back. And maybe medyo mailap or may pag-iwas silang ginagawa sa'yo. And I feel like nagkukos ito sa'yo ng sakit, lungkot, kasi bakit nila ginagawa yun? Ba't kailangan nila akong pagtawanan, diba? So, that's the energy. And we do have here the Five of Wands. So, nakakita tayo ng competition, pag-aaway, Aries, Leo, Sag, between these people. Okay? So, pwedeng itong mga sinasabing kaibigan na ito. For some of you, ang situation iba. Nakakita rin kasi tayo dito na might be there's a friend na parang nakikita natin na i-involve ka sa kanya. There's emotions sa inyo nitong taong to. Kaya lang, the problem is might be there's a third party situation or a competition with the Five of Wands. Kaya ang nangyayari, parang no choice kundi umiwas, i-cut off with the Queen of Swords because of the Three of Swords, diba? Which is a third party situation. So, pwedeng may emotion kang nararamdaman, but with the Devil, kailangan mo labanan yung emosyon na nararamdaman mo towards this person. Even though with the Queen of Cups, alam mo sa sarili mo kung gaano mo siya kagusto, especially with the Moon. Yung iba sa inyo, napapanaginipan mo pa itong taong to. Maybe you're dealing with your soulmate. Yeah, the Moon and the Sun could be dealing with the twin flame soulmate. So, ito yung nagiging dahilan na although gusto mo or mahal mo na itong taong to and may special connection sa inyo, with the Page of Swords, wala kang choice. Pwedeng nakakaya or hindi okay yung ganong sitwasyon para sa inyo, or hindi pwede talaga. Okay, so tell me more messages for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter sign of Virgo, please, for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. By the way, kung medyo may maririnig kang ingay sa background, mga tricycle, pagpasensyahan mo na lang, no? Hindi ko yun maiiwasan, eh. The Tower is here. So, nakakita tayo ng iba dito, parang end of friendship. Yun nga, especially with the Eight of Pentacles. Pwedeng nagfo-focus ka na lang sa work, sa career. I feel like pagdating sa career, for some of you, you're not so happy sa career mo or sa trabaho mo. Pero parang pinupush mo na lang, inaayos mo na lang, basta magkapera, ganun. Yung iba, hindi ganun yung sitwasyon. Take only what resonates. Kasi yung iba naman, ang situation, maybe nagkakaroon lang ng ending of a connection between dun sa person na kakonect mo, and then, nagfo-focus ka na lang sa sarili mo. Okay? Sa pera mo, sa career mo, sa sarili mo. I feel like, tinatry mong maging ready. Strength card is here. Yung iba sa inyo, parang pwedeng minsan ka nang naging cheater or minsan ka nang naging ikaw yung lumabas na third person or third party. So, pwedeng alam mo na yung pinagdaanan in the past pagdating dito sa ganitong sitwasyon. Kaya lang medyo mas iba ito kasi with the Strength card, Leo energy, medyo mas matibay yung pinagsamahan. So, maybe kung nangyari man ito in the past, nakalusot siya in the past, parang medyo malabo siya ngayon dahil itong connection na ito, ibang usapan na to, medyo mas matibay na to. Pwedeng yung iba, may marriage na involved or magpagsasama or children na involved dito. Pero okay lang kahit wala. Okay? So, with the Empress, you see this person as someone who is, I don't know, somehow perfect for you. Okay, yung tingin mo sa kanya is someone na gusto mo talaga. Physically, emotionally. And maybe nakikita mo na yung future ninyo together is magiging maganda just in case na siya yung maging person mo. It feels like this person may feeling na siya yung feeling mong makakakumpleto sa mga kulang mo. Alamin natin ano yung pagtingin or emotions niya towards you. Okay, ito yung, wait lang guys, kasi parang medyo naglalag ako. Okay, sorry about that. Medyo nag-ano-ano siya. Naggalaw-galaw. Ayan, medyo naglalag talaga. I'm sorry. Medyo full na siguro yung memory ko. But anyway, for what I can see here with the Eight of Swords and the Page of Cups, this person, yung pagtingin and emotions niya sa'yo, for now, stuck kasi siya talaga sa situation. Like, you see here with the Eight of Swords, medyo yan. By the way, I'm not reading in reversals. So, with the Page of Cups, marami siyang gustong anuhan ngayon pag-focusan. Especially with the Ace of Swords, pwedeng may mga ideas, new beginnings na gusto niyang pag-focusan dito. And with the Hanged Man and the Three of Pentacles, focusing on money, growth, ganyan. Gusto niya mag-grow pa yung kanyang finances, career. Ten of Swords and the Judgment. If you're dealing with your soulmate or twin flame, I can feel a lot of endings talaga. Kasi itong person na to for now, medyo ini-end niya rin talaga yung connection ninyong dalawa. And with the Fool, maybe in the past, meron siyang energy na willing siyang mag-take ng risk Pero with the Temperance, medyo mahihirapan eh. Kasi parang ngayon, nakontento na siya or natutunan niyang tanggapin kung ano yung mga nasa harapan niya with the Ace of Cups. Okay? And what will happen in the future for you, Virgo? In the future for you. You do over the Four of Swords. Kukuha lang tayo mga cards, guys. The Wheel of Fortune. And the Ace of Cups. Okay. One more card. Page of Wands. And Hermit. Oh, yeah. That's Virgo energy. Four of Pentacles is here. Six of Pentacles. Wow. Nakakakita ako ng malaking pagbabago mula sa hindi pagkakaroon ng koneksyon sa inyong dalawa nitong taong to. Kasi there's big change here. With the Ace of Cups, I can see a lot of communication, a lot of love, pagpapakita ng love dun sa communication na yon. So, maaaring with the Hermit, makikita mo or makukuha mo yung mga bagay na hinahanap mo in the near future. And might be if you're looking for someone na parang gusto mong magka-interest sa'yo, like gusto mo na person na may interest sa'yo, in the near future, makukuha mo to. There's a person na magpapakita ng interest sa'yo and possible na maging maganda yung connection, yung communication nyo dito. Yan. Oh, you will be soon be the sun. Okay? Masaya yung energy ng the sun. And with the Six of Pentacles, a lot of blessings and achievements ang nakukuha natin dito with the Four of Pentacles. Actually, pinaghirapan mo to. So, kung ano man yung mga ma-achieve mo in the near future, which is meron, isa pa ito sa makakapagpasaya sa'yo. So, money and love, napakaganda ng ipinapakita dito. Yeah, I can see with the Six of Swords, pwedeng soon enough, makamove on ka na and magkaroon na ng growth sa buhay mo. And you will no longer be looking for your Empress kasi yung Empress na mismo ang lalapit sa'yo. And hindi ako magsasabi na this is the past person kasi for some of you this is a new person, but all in all nakikita natin yung malaking pagbabago na mangyayari sa'yo. Okay? And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.